It's burping time.
He has been putting together some furniture.
Yeah, in the background you hear the news about sports.
3 hours in the
There we
same
go.
position.
Come on, sweetie.
Using a screwdriver.
You
So
can do it for
I
us.
don't know what he was doing, but that was.
I like that look at him. That's very good.
Warriors should be ready for the Final Four this weekend, and so will our Kurt Sandoval. He stayed away from all home improvement tools, and we'll have live reports from San Antonio beginning this Friday right here on Eyewitness News. My Days is putting together ideas furniture.
She had a burp yesterday.
Got a handy guy, huh?
The first one on the right there. That one?
There it was.
Excellent.
Burp.
Thank you.
Maddie
Silence
burps.
is-
I'd snuggle now,
There
Mel.
we go. Back to the. Oh, now to snuggle with mommy.